What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I got for your face balls today, it's giveaway time. And I'm super pumped about this because this is going to be a cool ass giveaway for sure. So right off the top, I'm going to be posting this giveaway video up. We're going to let it run for a couple of weeks because I got to do a little bit of traveling for work. However, we are going to pick the giveaway winner, and there's only going to be one winner on Friday, January 27th, and we will do a live video to pick the giveaway winner. You won't have to be present to win, although it'd be a lot cooler if you were. Friday, January 27th, we'll put some posts out and stuff and talk about the giveaway and whatnot between then and now. And so we'll give you plenty of time leading up to it so you can tune in live on Friday evening to check out who wins this thing. But there's only going to be 3 requirements for this giveaway. Now, the first requirement is you got to be subbed to my YouTube channel. Like, I think that's just kind of goes without saying. You got to at least subscribe to this channel. And, it's something like 70 or 80% of the people that watch this channel aren't subscribed. So, hook a boy up and subscribe to the channel. 2, you got to go and subscribe to my Instagram. So OCD for EDC on Instagram, go and subscribe to that as well. And then 3, you're going to have to leave a comment in this video, and the comment has to include, I want 15V. So here is the unit in question right here. Now, you guys may know that I have been blessed and I've gotten my hands on a few of the 15V Manix2s, right? So I figured that I would spread the love, but I'm going to do it even better, and we're going to make this thing even cooler than it already is, which we're going to do in this video. This is the knife right here that I'm giving away. Now, I purchased this knife, and this is just on me. I'm giving this away. Comes with all the stuff from Spyderco, okay? And here it is. I'm sure everyone's already heard about it, so I probably don't need to even talk about it, but here it is. The Spyderco Manix in 15V. This is the Triple B edition. Sean over at Big Brown Bear, it's his heat treat on the 15V. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, an amazing knife. But like I said, we're going to make it just a little bit cooler, OCD style, and we're going to do that right here on this video. Here's the knife, and we are giving this away. Now, we're going to make this, like I said, a little bit cooler. So we have these packages, and what comes in these packages is a Manix upgrade kit. Now, this Manix upgrade kit could or could not include a ball cage from Flytanium. Now, I'm not going to open this one because this is how it comes packaged to you with an OCD for EDC sticker on it in a little bag just like this. But here's what comes in it. And so this is a black aluminum ball cage plus the Manix upgrade kit, which includes a lighter spring, a ceramic detent ball, and a little rod if you want to lighten your spring up even more or lighten up the factory spring. That's what comes in those kits. These kits you can find at OCDforedc.com, and right now through the end of this week, so until Sunday, we do a live stream every Sunday, you can get an extra 15% off everything at OCDforedc.com by using the code NewYear15. Okay? So I'll put all this information up down in the description of this video, but let's get right into it. And, of course, once we bust this thing open, we're going to have to put some Slick 'em All in here as well. Let's do this here. I'm going to remove that scale screw. Okay. All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to separate this just like that, and we're going to rotate this scale out of the way just like so. Now, at this point, I need to loosen up the back screw here just a little bit, like so. I've already got the top screw out, so you can see the back spacer is already starting to poke out the top just a little bit. And now, what we're going to do is pull the blade out, just like that. And then we can pull the whole ball cage assembly out, just like so. Okay? Now, all of these parts, we're going to set off to the side. Now, I'm going to ship all these parts to you, but what you get in the Manix upgrade kit is a ceramic ball, a new spring, and if you want it, a ball cage kit. So we sell these both ways. You can get just the ceramic ball, the spring with the rod, which I'll show you what the rod's for. But then we also have all the colors and materials, titanium, aluminum, of the actual ball cage kit itself. This is a really cool upgrade kit and makes the Manix 2 so much nicer. It's pretty awesome, for sure. Okay. So that's how it's going to look going in. Let's set that down for a moment. I am going to pull the pivot out completely here, just because I want to make sure that we don't have any Loctite or anything from the factory under the washer. Make sure this is all cleaned up. Okay, everything's looking good. Now, one side of the pivot is D-shaped, which is really nice. So, but you need to make sure that you get that D shape back in correctly. Okay. Now, got some Slick-O-Mall here that we're going to put on here, just for, you know, some proper lubrication. My Slick-O-Mall doesn't have cool stickers and stuff on it like your guys's, but, you know, that's just how it is. So this thing was really, really dry. Didn't have any lubricant in the pivot area at all. Okay. Now, let's get that washer off there. Gonna just distribute that lube around. Excellent. And now bring this box back in here. There we go. Okay. Now I'm ready with the blade. Let's get the ball cage in first. Just like so. I'm going to pull it back. Then we'll set the blade down on here. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to get this screw put back in the back spacer here. All right, now we're going to get these screws put back in. Excellent. Now the pivot screw. Okay. Now, we need to work this blade in a bit. We also need to get a little lube back here on the blade tang. Oh, as soon as that slick 'em all hit that ball riding on the blade tang, boy, this thing was butter. All right. All right, we need to tighten up the pivot just a tiny bit here. Okay. This thing is sweet. All right. So now she's got some slick 'em all in there. She is got the OCD for EDC certified official tissue Manix upgrade kit with a black aluminum Flytanium ball cage kit. And this thing is ready for action. Boy, it's smooth. Oh, it's so good. Look at that. It's not even broke in yet. And there is not even a hint of blade play here. That thing is super tight. Oh, yeah. That thing is sweet. Okay, so this little rod right here, what you can do with this is, with the blade open, pull the spring back and insert the rod just like that to hold your ball cage all the way in the back position. So whether you want to do that with the factory spring or the lightened spring that comes with the kit, you could do that with either to loosen up that spring a bit. Now, with that being said, when you do that, it affects the detent on this knife. So, you know, the pressure at which the blade can open is less, along with that spring tension being a little bit less. Now, in my opinion, the spring that we send with the kit is perfect for the Manix, but you know, you may like a little stiffer spring. You might want something in between the two, so you could go back to the factory spring and then use this to kind of tension or adjust it or collapse it a little bit, if you will. Now, when you put the rod in, you got to leave it in. You know, I'd leave it in overnight, test it out, see what you think. Maybe leave it in for a couple of days if you want to. But either way, there you go. So there it is. There is the giveaway knife with the ball cage kit installed. Like I said, it'll come with the factory stuff as well. All this will go into the package with the knife. So somebody, some lucky winner, is going to win themselves an official tissue, as Floss would say, or official whistle, 15V Manix2, brand new in the box, tricked out with a Manix upgrade kit and the Flytanium ball cage. Plus, it's already riding on slick 'em all. And of course, you guys know the deal. We'll throw in some other stuff as well. Everybody out there, go check out OCD4EDC.com. Like I said, you got a few days left of the 15% off sale. Everything on the website, 15% off. Go check it out. I'll throw the link up in the description as well as the discount code. And we've got a bunch of knives, Spyderco's, a bunch of other stuff up there on the website. So go check that stuff out. Otherwise, subscribe to this channel. Go subscribe to our Instagram as well. And then leave a comment. The comment down there needs to say, I want 15V. I'll throw all that up in the description. Guys, go down there, comment, tell me what you think about the knife, tell me whatever. Just make sure you include the phrase, I want 15V, with your comment, and we will be picking the winner for this sweet, sweet piece right here, live on YouTube, January 27th. All right, guys, have fun. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.